Hi to everyone. So this is from Kakatiya School FCA branch and myself Rashek Reddy, director of the branch. And so as we have already promised that this academic year, that is 2022 and 23, we are going to introduce so many activities to the students as well as a part of activities. Sports will be also given the prime importance. In that earlier we used to take the children only to the ground, that is for the outdoor sports, but now we are giving the maximum importance to the indoor games also. In that, so we are giving the prior importance to the chess. So అందులో భాగంగా చెస్ అనేటువంటి దాని పిల్లలకు అండ్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ స్టూడెంట్ కి చెస్ కోచింగ్ ఇవ్వాలనేటువంటి ఉద్దేశంతో సో టుడే సో ఆన్ 22nd July so we have launched a training program so with the help of national chess champion so Likita Annapurna and she is the our school trainer for our children. Chess అనేటువంటి చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ గేమ్. For the student IQ levels important like improvement as well as for the memory improvement and logical thinking. So this will help a lot to each and every child. So we are giving them maximum importance to give the best training to the students. So and we are going to encourage and motivate the students to learn so perfectly. So in that, so Likita is helping us. So we will be very thankful for her service as well as for the help to the children. And maximum. And just recently we have completed the international chess day, that is on July 20th. And we hope that by the next year, July 20th, all our children will be going to so become very perfect in the chess, and they can also able to go for the big competitions anywhere. So that kind of the training sessions and classes will be conducted in the campus, and we hope that we are going to achieve within 1 year. Thank you.
Today it's a very great day in our school that we are launching a training period program for the chess in our school campus. For that, I would like to welcome and introduce you all the national chess player. She is Miss Nukala Sri Likita Annapurna. Just give a big specialized in the blindfolding chess board arrangement. Do you know that, children? You don't know all that, na? She is specialized in that. How to blindfold means to fold your eyes, not to open your eyes and to arrange the points. Yes, sir? And not only that, she is specialized in the blindfold chess game without notations. Means without making a sounds or something. With a blindfold, means closing the eyes she will play. Without opening the eyes only, we don't know how to play the chess. Yes? And not only that, she is the recipient of many records like the International Wonder Book of Records and the India Book of Records and the Global Child Pedagogy Certificate. And she will explain you, and this is a training period for you all, that how to play a chess. She'll explain you how to play the chess, and I hope everyone will listen to her carefully and try to learn how to play the chess also. Okay? Once again, we give a big clap to her.
More excitement. So many games like in the ground always Coco, Kabaddi or something you are playing. But you don't know this indoor game. Maybe somebody are having the idea, so but they don't have the complete skill in that. No? So చూస్తుంటే చాలా ఎక్సైటెడ్ ఉన్నట్టున్నారు కదా. Okay. So today this is just an introduction program. Today we are not getting any training session. Just Likita will help you that what is what in the chess. And she will explain you something about chess, but how the training program will be there, that we will tell you later on. That will be class-wise training sessions will be there, not at a time. So based on
your level of knowledge in the chess. So the training program will be started. So already in the classroom your teachers have questioned you. What kind of the questions you got from the teachers about the chess? Whether you are having any idea about the chess, or you don't have any idea, like zero knowledge, or somebody having minimum knowledge and somebody having minimum game also. Like 3 categories we have collected from each and every class. The names we have collected, right? So now here first we are going to make all are equal. Means everybody will be having some game skill. So those who don't have any knowledge about the chess, first of all they will be trained. Getting my point, all of you children? Suppose you don't have anything, you don't know anything about the chess. Even I don't know anything about the chess. I don't know only squares I can know. That there is there is a board with the different colors like squares, some boxes. Only that much I know. And even I don't know how many coins will be there. I don't know each and every coin name also. Right? Somebody are saying some king, queen. I know king and queen, but I don't know who is the king and who is the queen here. Right? So that is called zero knowledge. Zero? So first we need to know minimum basics. So here the training session will be, first you will be explain and teach and where you will get the basics first of all. Then minimum idea on the game. Then going for a competition. Like this step by step we are going to continue the program. Weekly twice. So Likita will try to come to our campus and she will try to help all of you to get perfection in that chess. Not only perfection, she will motivate you like anything that you will be like eagerly waiting for her classes. Like where you want to learn definitely compulsory. Right? Will you do that, Likita? Sure? Yeah. So you will be motivated definitely. So blindfold at idea of the Miku? Yes, sir. Only kanlu close చేసుకోవడం అని కాదు. Completely. What is this for? Completely right. Cottons పెట్టేస్తారు first. To the eyes, the cottons will be kept. And then with a band, like something will be there, like dark color, black color, that will be printed up. So that nothing we can see. You can see nothing. With that blindfold, so she used to participate in the competition. And her specialty is without notations, without any hint or without any clue, she can play the game. So by closing her eyes also. Okay. But me kantaled. First of all, opening the eyes we can learn. Okay, then we will go for closing the eyes. Right? So are you ready? Just silently try to get what? So Likita is going to tell you. Right? So concentrate. Don't deviate from here. Listen carefully and try to understand. Right? So I think some of you know about Anjali Madam. She is like a good supporter and advisor and helper to our school. And last year she used to take biology classes, special classes for the 10th class children, and few classes she has taken for the 9th also, like those are in 10th class now. So that Likita is her student actually, and Madam will tell few things about her.
So I am academic mentor for her. So ఇంతక సార్ చెప్పినట్టు లైక్ బ్లైండ్ ఫోల్డింగ్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు బ్లైండ్ పీపుల్ కూడా చెస్ ఆడతారు. ఓకే, కానీ అక్కడ ఏం జరుగుతుంది అంటే చెస్ పాయింట్స్ పైన స్పెషల్ నోటేషన్స్ ఉంటాయి. దట్ ఇఫ్ దే టచ్ ఇట్ దే కెన్ నో వాట్ కాయిన్ ఇస్ దిస్. ఓకే, బట్ షీ ఈస్ ద ఓన్లీ గర్ల్ ఇన్ ఇండియా వితౌట్ దట్ నోటేషన్స్ విత్ కామన్ పాయింట్స్. అంటే జనరల్ పాయింట్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, వాటి మీద ఎటువంటి నోటేషన్స్ ఉండవు. సో షీ కెన్ ప్లే సచ్ బోర్డ్ వితౌట్ సీయింగ్. అది తన స్పెషాలిటీ. Introduce her to you all, and she is also a Guinness Book of Record holder for Okay, so handing over to Nikita.
and I'm 10th standard. And now I'm here to teach you all and share my knowledge with you all guys. So first of all, I thank to Director of Kakatiya Groups, Mr. Rajshekar Reddy sir, and Principal Ma'am and Anjali Akka for giving me this opportunity. So, how many of you have at least any of these worksheets?
Just raise your hand.
So, in which country chess was born? Do you have any idea?
India.
In India, you are right. In India, chess was born about 600 AD, and later it was developed in Russia. Am I audible? Yes. Later it was developed in Russia about 16th century. And who introduced chess as per our Indian history? Who introduced chess first? Any idea? Yeah, Ravana. Do you know Ravana? Who is Ravana? Who is Ravana? Who is Ravana? And also we celebrate Diwali on 30th of Ramakrishna, right? Did you get it? Yeah. First chess was introduced by Ravana, and wife of Ravana. Who is that? Mandodari, wife of Ravana. Who introduced chess? Ravana. And who is Mandodari? Did you get it? In our India, we have 73 grandmasters currently, and 18 of them were women. 18 of them were women. Do you know any famous players from India? And Vishwanath Anandan? Ventala Hari Krishna? Koneru Hampi? Do you know? Any much more players? Currently we have youngest grandmaster from India, 12 years old, Abhimanyu Mishra. He is the youngest grandmaster overall the world. And also Dronavalli Harika and Arjun from our Telangana.
And soon Likita also going to be joining in that group.
Yeah. Not only me, and also you guys should become a great players and grandmasters. Now coming to the topic, do you know how many squares are there in this board?
64.
64 squares. And how many pieces? 16 pieces each side.
Yes,
So you have 32 pieces. Overall the board you have 32 pieces and 16 pieces each side. How many members are going to play this game? 2 members. Yeah. A fight, a battle between two players, between white and black. Like you know Bahubali. Yes. Bahubali war. So say a battle between white and black. Is it okay? Waste of minute. Our girls are Bahubali. Yeah. So, what are the benefits of chess? Is it necessary to learn chess in this career? Yes. Now, what are the benefits? Concentration and next? Knowledge. Thinking skills. Yeah, thinking skills. How do you use your thinking skills? Logical thinking skills. In your daily life examples. While doing maths problems, you guys use logical thinking, right? So, if you play this game, your minds will get sharp and you can able to think logically, faster, and also creativity, thinking creatively, when writing your discourses, you can think creatively and write, and also focus and concentration. If you play with concentration, you will win. And if you do any work with concentration, you may get success in that work. Right? And next. Yeah. In this board we have how many squares we have? 64. How many pieces? 32 pieces and 16 each side. Black is having 16 pieces and also white is having 16 pieces. These are called pawns. What is this? Pawns. Soldiers. Okay. What are these? Pawns. You need to use pawns.
Chess terminology.
It's the chess terminology, and it is pawn. You have 8 pawns in the each kingdom. Okay? In each army you have 8 pawns, 8 soldiers. And soldiers are there and they are always first. They always go whenever comes back, right? Yes. Yeah. And again, what is this? This is knight. As per chess terminology, this is knight. What is this? Knight. Yeah, knight. You have 2 knights each side. 2 knights and 2 knights for black. And you know what is this? It's bishop. What is this? Bishop. You have 2 bishops each side. Okay, white have 2 bishops and also black have 2 bishops. What is this? Rook. You are right. Come on, rook. This is rook. You have again. You have these 2 sides again. 2 pieces for black and 2 rooks for white. So coming to the main pieces. What is this? What? Queen. Queen doesn't have crown. King have crown. What is this? Queen. Come on, what is this? Are you all able to see this? Yes! This is the main piece. King and queen are the main pieces. In any battle or any fight, king and queen are the main pieces. Is it okay? Yes. What is this? You all are able to recognize this is king. Did you all get it? How many pawns does each army have? 2 pawns. What are pawns? What are pawns? These are soldiers, right? The brave soldier always goes strength, never comes back. These are soldiers. As per just terminology, what is this? How many pawns for each piece? 8. So every piece has a value. So as per value, you are going to it's like you are going to play the game. So which piece we need to eliminate, which piece we need to kill or capture. So this pawn has a value of 1 point. How many points? 1. What is this? 1. How many points does this have? 1 point. And 8 points have 1 point. Each point 1. How many points knight has? 2. No, 3. How many points? 3. Are you able to get me? Yes. How many points? 3. What is this? 9. And this one. What is this? Bishop. How many points do you have? No, 3 points. Knight and bishop are having the same points. How many points? 3 points. What is this? This is rook. How many points does it have? The idea? 5 points. What is this? How many points does it have? 5. And let's come into the game. in a kingdom or in a battle, king is having more value. So it is having an infinity value. Did you all get it? How much value of king? Infinity means you cannot count. Uncountable value. Yes. You cannot count it. What is this? Come on. What is this? How many points does this have? What are these eight? What is this? How many points? How many points are there in each line? What are these? How many points are there? How many lines for each kingdom? What are these? How many points? How many bishops for each kingdom? This one? How many points? How many queens for each kingdom? Only one queen and one king. You don't have two kings for the kingdom, right? Do you have? There is only one president for our country, right? So this king is like a president and this queen is like a prime minister. Have you all able to get it? What is this? How much value? How many kings? You have only one king. Okay? The same pieces you have for black also. How many pieces total? Total 32 squares. We have 64 squares and 32 pieces. This is a game played between 64 squares with 32 pieces and 2 opponents. Is it okay? Walk the wall. Yeah. Yeah. So basically, what do you apply before going to the wall? Do you think? Do you plan? Yes. Will you make a plan? Yes. How you need to attack? How you need to arrange those weapons? Do you think? Yes. The same is applicable in the chess also. You need to think. First, when you move your pieces, you need to think and you need to respect your opponent moves. When your opponent plays, you shouldn't move with the knowledge you have. You need to think first. Okay. Now, thinking strategically. You need to think strategically. Okay. And also, chess is also similar to your daily life. Are you able to get it? Okay. When you move a blunder, a mistake, are you going to lose your game? When you move a mistake move, are you going to lose? No. Yes. In some cases you may lose and you may develop your game after moving your mistakes also. As same thing in your life, when you get a wrong thing, are you going to lose in your life? No. If you did a mistake? Yes. You are going to lose, right? Yes. That's the same thing. If you made a mistake in the chess, you are going to lose. Instead of killing your opponent's king, what if you kill your king only? Are you going to lose or not? Yes. Is that a mistake? Yes. So, if you make a mistake, you are going to lose. The same thing is at the same time. If you do any mistake, you will try to rectify, right? Will you rectify? Yes. And will you try to go in a correct path? Yes. Now, for that you need strength, right? And you need strategy, right? Yes. How to come out of your problem. For that you need problem solving method, right? Yes. Yes? Yes or no? Yes. And the same thing you can be learned by playing chess. Okay, in life also we will be doing many mistakes. Some may be silly, some may be very tough, some may be difficult. Okay, some we may not correct. Okay, with this you will be understanding how to come out of your problems. Understood? So that in sense, it is not only teaching you the thinking ability, but also helping great idea in any difficult problem, in any difficult situation. You may think bravely and you can get a great idea. And also you can develop your sportiness. Right?
ఇక్కడ ఐడియా అనే సిమ్ కార్డ్ ఎవరికైనా తెలుసమ్మా? ఎంతమందికి తెలుసు ఐడియా నెట్వర్క్? ఎస్. దాని ట్యాగ్ లైన్ ఉంటుంది కదా, వాట్ ఈస్ ద ట్యాగ్ లైన్? డోంట్ నో వాట్ ఈస్ ద ట్యాగ్ లైన్ ఆఫ్ ఐడియా? ఎవరికైనా తెలుసా? ఐడియా ట్యాగ్ లైన్ ఏంటో తెలుసా మ్యామ్? an idea can change your life. అడ్వర్టైజ్మెంట్ చూస్తారు కదా, వాట్ ఆర్ యూ డూయింగ్ అంటే ఐ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ఐడియా అంటే గెట్ ఎన్ ఐడియా అని ఐడియా వాడు ఫోన్ యూజ్ చేస్తాడు, ఇంటర్నెట్ సర్చ్ చేస్తాడు. వాట్ ఐ హావ్ టు మేక్ ఫర్ డిన్నర్ అంటే నో ఐడియా అంటే గెట్ ఎన్ ఐడియా, రీఛార్జ్. cooking recipes easily on recharge of net and you don't see advertisements. Yes, idea tagline ఏంటి? an idea can change your life. Similarly in life, a small idea can change your game. A small idea can change your life.
You can also develop your sportiness. You lose any game, you shouldn't go to any depressed or something. You need to be sportive. You need to be get ready for the next game. You need to challenge for the next game and win that game, right? Sportiness.
You have to try to reach the success. And within a one day or a one short period of time or within a 1 week or within a grace of 1 month, you are not going to become a chess champion. It takes a lot of practice. Do you know Sachin Tendulkar? Yes. Do you know Mahendra Singh Dhoni? Yes. Do you know Mithali Thakur? Yes. Okay. On it becomes to Indian cricket team. There is a lot of practice, right? Yes. For that they require lot of patience, right? Patience is taught by the chess players. Okay.
So, మీరు పెద్ద ప్లేయర్ కావాలంటే ఫస్ట్ ఉండాల్సింది పేషెన్స్, రైట్? You can't become a big player within a single night, a single day or something. You need to practice more, right? Did you get it? Yes. You need to practice with concentration, dedication, patience, and while playing the game, you shouldn't get disturbed. If any disturbances from other side, you shouldn't get disturbed. You need to think carefully. You need to think with concentration, right? Did you all get it? Yes. Come on. What is chess? What is the meaning of chess? Any idea? What is it? Any answers? Do you know the full form of chess? Spelling of chess? Yes. What does C stands for? Look onto the board. What does C stands for? In your entire board. You can use your normal language, not in chess terminology. Yeah, camel. C stands for? Camel. H. E. S stands for? Soldiers. All C. Camel, horse, elephant, and the soldiers. These two are common in every battle. So, what is C? One more yes.
Strategy.
Soldiers are so first S is for first S, and so in soldiers the ending, the last S is for last S. Yeah, soldiers. What is the full form of chess? Anyone?
Yes, no, she said no.
What is the full form? Can anyone of you tell what is this? In a simple way. What is this? Anyone of you? You want to say? No problem. Feel comfortably. pieces placed between layers with strategy and concentration, patience, creativity. All of your right, come on. So how many squares do you have? 34. How many pieces? 32. How many pieces do you have each side? 16. What are they? Are you all interested? Yes. Movement of pieces? Yes. Even of you know the movement of pawn? Now let's see on the board. So where are the pawns? Here are the pawns, right? These are the pawns. 8 pawns in each kingdom. So a pawn move 1 or 2 steps first. Pawn 1 or 2 steps first move అవుతుంది. ఓకే అండ్ ఓన్లీ తర్వాత 1 స్టెప్ మాత్రమే వెళ్తుంది. ఒకసారి మీ కింగ్డమ్ దాటిన తర్వాత 2 స్టెప్స్ వెళ్ళలేదు. సి ఈ బోర్డ్ ని హాఫ్ గా డివైడ్ చేసి ఇక్కడ వరకు హాఫ్ అండ్ ఇది ఒక హాఫ్. ఇటుపక్క బోర్డ్ అంతా కూడా క్వీన్ సైడ్ అంటాం మనం. అది ఏబుల్ సి కనిపిస్తుందా? సైడ్ బోర్డ్ ఏమంటాం? So while this is your kingdom, half of them up to the number 4 you can see here 4. This is your kingdom and up to 5 this is your opponent's kingdom. When you are playing that up to 5 is your kingdom, up to 4 is your opponent's kingdom. Once when you cross your kingdom, your pawn can't move twice on 2 steps. అర్థమవుతుందా? ఎన్ని స్టెప్స్ మూవ్ అవుతుంది పాయింట్ ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ లో? 2 or 1, రైట్? 2 or 1 తర్వాత ఓకే ఇప్పుడు మనం 1 స్టెప్ వేసాం. 1 స్టెప్ వేసాం ఇక్కడ తర్వాత ఎన్ని స్టెప్స్ మూవ్ చేయొచ్చు? ఆల్రెడీ ఒక స్టెప్ అయిపోయింది. సో నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్ నుంచి only 1 step. Only first chance only 2 or 1. Second chance only 1 step only. And capturing and developing this idea of capture. Killing? Yes. Kill some opponent pieces? Yes. Yes, yes. So this terminology lo killing ni capturing antaru. Emantaru? Capturing ante killing. సో ఈ పాన్ ఎలా క్యాప్చర్ చేస్తుంది? ఒకవేళ మనకి ఇది ఇలా పెట్టామంటే ఇప్పుడు వైట్ కార్డ్ ఎలా క్యాప్చర్ చేస్తుంది? ఇట్లా క్యాప్చర్ చేయగలరా? ఓన్లీ పాన్ మళ్ళీ వెనక్కి రాగలరా? కదా? సో పాన్ గురించి అర్థమైంది కదా? నెక్స్ట్ పీస్ ఏం తీసుకుని ఇదేంటిది? ఎన్ని రూక్స్ ఉంటాయి? ఈచ్ సైడ్ 2 రూక్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఎన్ని పాయింట్స్ ఉంటాయి? 5. ఓకే ఇప్పుడు ఇది రూక్ ఇలా ఉంది. ఇది ఎలా మూవ్ అవుతుందో తెలుసా? Straight line का Ganadhari. Group that is Ganadhari. Come on. So how can you capture? What is capturing? So pawn captures it. Pawn captures diagonally. Pawn moves straight and captures diagonally. How does rook capture? Straight and cross. See, here is the pawn. You can capture it like this. Can you capture this pawn? This diagonally can you capture? So how can you capture the pawn? Or anything? Here we have a queen here. How can you capture it? So now here, which piece are you going to capture? You are able to capture the pawn and the queen. But which piece do you want to choose? ఇప్పుడు రూట్ ఇలా వెళ్తుంది ఇలా కూడా వెళ్తుందా ఇలా వెళ్ళదా వెళ్తుందా వెళ్ళదా వెళ్తుంది కదా మరి ఇలా క్యాప్చర్ చేయలేవా చేయగలం కదా మరి ఈ రెండు పీసెస్ లో వీక్ ఎందుకు చూస్ చేస్తున్నారు ఇట్ హాస్ మోర్ పవర్ పాన్ కి 1 పాయింట్ క్వీన్ కి 9 పాయింట్స్ సో గ్రేట్ పవర్ ఉందని మీరు చేయడానికి చూస్తారు కదా సో దేనికి ఏం చేస్తారు హౌ డస్ ఇట్ మూవ్ పాన్ బ్యాక్ రాగలరా బట్ can move front, can move back, can move side by side, anything. But only in a straight line. Okay. So next, which piece do you want to learn? So nice. Where is the knife in the whole board? Where is the knife? Beside the side. Is this right or this one? This one? Yes. Yes, right. So, how can it move? Yeah, come on. So, ఇక్కడ ఉన్న night L shape అంటే first 2 steps and then 1 step side. 2 steps straight and 1 step side. So, ఇక్కడ ఉన్న night ఎక్కడికి మూవ్ అవ్వాలి? Right. Two steps front and the step side. Right? Yeah. You can also move this side. Yeah. So ఇప్పుడు మనం ఈ నైట్ ఇక్కడ ప్లేస్ చేసాం. ఇది ఎలా క్యాప్చర్ చేయగలరు? దాని మూవ్మెంట్ కూడా ఎల్ షేప్ లోనే ఉంటుంది, క్యాప్చరింగ్ కూడా ఎల్ షేప్ లోనే ఉంటుంది. సో మనం ఇక్కడ చూద్దాం. ఇలా ఉంది మనం. Which piece do you choose to capture? Is queen greater or here? Which one is better? Queen. So you choose queen. Yeah. It can move front, come back, anywhere. See, 2 steps and the step side. 2 straight steps and the step side. This side. See, it's like L shape. In L shape. If a knight is placed in center, you can. These are movements. Here. These 2 squares, and this. How many squares is able to move if it is placed in center? 3. How many squares? 3. Look at properly. 4. 2. Yeah, 8. 2 here, 2 squares and here 2 squares. How many squares? 8. Yeah. Come on. Next, which piece do you want to learn? Bishop. So, do you have any idea of bishop? How right? into the black square? Only in white squares. And can it move like this? This is also like this. See, if it is here, can it move here? Why so? It only moves diagonal. How many points does a bishop have? 3 points. How many bishops for each finger? 2. How does it move? It can also move front, come back. Okay. And how does it capture? See. How does it capture? Cross. Are you going to choose this place or this place? Okay. Why? Because Rook is greater than bishop. Rook has more value than bishop. Right? Come on. Now, next, which piece do you want to learn about? Why don't you choose the major piece? So, now we learn about queen. How does it work? Queen. So, queen can move cross, over, straight, and also diagonal. But queen can't move as a knight. Knight is the only piece which can jump. Did you get it? See, now, if you have a piece like this, queen can't move over this, right? If you want to move, you need to capture this first and you need to move. But in this case, if you want to place your knight here, can you move? Yes. Because it is the only piece which can jump. Yeah. So, how does a queen capture? If you have two bishops here, which bishop does it capture? The black square or the white square bishop? Which bishop? Black square. Why? Because it can be diagonally but not like a knight. It can't jump like a knight. Did you all get it? And it can also move front, come back, side, and come back. Now, the major piece. King. Yeah, come on. Now, king is the major piece. If this king is captured, killed, or dead, you are going to lose the match, right? So, you need to fight this entire game for only your king. You need to protect your king. Is it okay? You need to protect your king. So, how does this king move? It has the major power, it is the major piece.
Only straight one step.
Can it move like a queen? Can it move?
No.
So it moves only one step front, one step back, one step side, and one step back. Only one step. Is it okay? Did you all get it? Yes. Are you interested?
Yes. So how many people want to learn the chess?
Yeah. How many people are interested now?
Don't raise your voice. I need only the hand.
How many of you?
And one more important thing I just want to bring to your notice that with only one board here you cannot play. Okay? You must have your own boards for practicing. If the sister comes and give you notes, you have to note it down. Okay? It is not just merely moving the coins. You will be provided the notes. You will be having the theoretical assessments. You know assessments? Yes. Exams and everything. It is not merely that you are sitting and you are learning to only kill. Okay, you are going to learn the strategies. For that, you have to know what are the steps. Okay, generally we people like me and my sister, we generally doesn't go to strategies or romance or members are the that members we don't. We know the movements of that.
player, first you need to have a lot of practice with concentration. Okay? You need to be very patient. You need to do all the work. From the next class, I will give you some tasks for a week. You need to complete those tasks and show me. Okay? Are you all interested to do?
And you can call her comfortably as your sister. Okay. And she will be guiding you. Okay. She will be supporting you. Okay. And she will also intimate to the management that you are going to show a great progress, so that we will be supporting you to reach your state and national level championships. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. That's very sweet of you. Thank you once again for sitting patiently and listening for that. And thanks everyone.
Now we will become a great player. Okay, let's make the next session. Thank you.
And let me tell you one more important thing. She is the only young trainer who is going to teach in different schools. Okay. So she is the only young trainer I think in India. She is only వాళ్ళకి ఏం తెచ్చుకోవాలని ట్రై చేస్తారు కదా, మేము మాత్రమే గొప్పగా ఉండాలి అని కదా, అని ఎవరు సర్వీస్ చేస్తారా? చేయరు కదా. బట్ షీ ఈస్ డూయింగ్ ద సర్వీస్. ఓకే, షీ ఈస్ నాట్ అపాయింటెడ్, షీ ఈస్ సర్వీస్ ఓరియంటెడ్. షీ వాంటెడ్ టు మేక్ ఆల్ ద స్టూడెంట్స్ to learn about the chess. Okay, and తెలంగాణలో maximum number of chess people అంటే chess players అనేది రావాలి. Throughout ఇండియాలో తెలంగాణ నుంచి వచ్చిన వాళ్ళు చాలా తక్కువ మంది ఉన్నారు. ఓకే, ఒకటో ఇద్దరు అట్లా కౌంట్ చేయొచ్చు. అంతకుముందు సమైక్యాంధ్ర ఉండేది ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ అని, అప్పుడు మనకి విశ్వనాథ్ ఆనంద్ అట్లా ఉండేవారు. తెలంగాణ నుంచి ఇప్పుడు ఒక అభినవ్ సో అట్లా ఒకరేంజర్స్ కానీ తెలంగాణలో కూడా చెస్ ప్లేయర్స్ చాలా మంది ఉన్నారు. వాళ్ళని కూడా బయటకు తీసుకురావాలి. ప్రాపర్ ట్రైన్ చేస్తే వాళ్ళు కూడా నాలాగా డిఫరెంట్ మెడల్స్ అండ్ సర్టిఫికేట్స్ తెచ్చుకుంటారు. వాళ్ళకు కూడా కొంత గుర్తింపు రావాలనేది మిగతా వాళ్ళ పేరెంట్స్ యొక్క కళ. సో నాలెడ్జ్ అనేది తన ఒక్కదాంతోనే ఆగిపోకూడదు. చెస్ కోసం ఏదైనా చేయాలి అని తప్పించే అతి తక్కువ మంది పేరెంట్స్ ఎవరైతే ఉంటారో గేమ్ కోసం వేరే వాళ్ళు కూడా నేర్చుకోవాలనే ఇంటెన్షన్ తోటి పేరెంట్స్ ఎవరైతే ఉంటారో అలాంటి పేరెంట్స్ మన లిఖిత వాళ్ళ పేరెంట్స్. అండ్ ఇలా లిఖిత మీ ముందు ఇలా ఉందంటే దాని వెనకాల పేరెంట్స్ సపోర్ట్ ఎంతో ఉంది. దే ఆర్ ఫైన్ ద ట్రూ మాస్టర్ ఫర్ దెమ్. ఎవరమ్మా మీ మాస్టర్ పేరు? కోచ్ లోకేష్ సార్. లోకేష్ సార్. సో హి ఇస్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద బెస్ట్ అండ్ ఫైనెస్ట్ కోచెస్ ఇన్ ఇండియా. ఓకే, సో అలాంటి కోచ్ దగ్గర వెతికి ట్రైన్ చేసి దాన్ని నేర్చుకున్న నాలెడ్జ్ ఊరికే పోకూడదు అని చెప్పేసి డిఫరెంట్ స్కూల్స్ కి వాళ్ళ పాప సర్వీస్ చేయాలి. అక్కడ మనీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ కాదు, మన తెలంగాణ నుంచి గేమ్ మీద అవగాహన రావాలి. మన ఇండియాలో చూస్తే కనుక ఓన్లీ తమిళనాడు అండ్ గుజరాత్ వాళ్ళకి మాత్రమే ఈ చెస్ మీద ఎక్కువ ప్యాషన్ ఉందన్నమాట. నాట్ ఫ్యాషన్, నాట్ దిస్ ప్యాషన్, ప్యాషన్. ఓకే, సో ఉందన్నమాట. సో అట్లాగే మన తెలంగాణ నుంచి కూడా యంగ్ ఆస్పిరెంట్స్ అనేది చెస్ గేమ్ లోకి రావాలి. మన తెలంగాణలో కూడా చెస్ ప్లేయర్స్ ఉన్నారు అనేది మొత్తం మన ఇండియాకి తెలియాలి అన్న ఒకే ఒక్క ఉద్దేశంతో పేరెంట్స్ ఆర్ సెండింగ్ హర్ టు ట్రైన్ ద పీపుల్ లైక్ మీ. సో స్పెషల్ అప్లాస్ ఫర్ ద పేరెంట్స్ ఆఫ్ giving such a diamond to us and for letting her to teach here.
Many players from Tamil Nadu and in Gujarat, chess is a subject being taught in every school. So I hope you all also will become a great player from Telangana.
When you have to give clap, now you have to respond. Say thank you.
Did you become a great player?
So wonderful session for all of us. And thank you to the Anjali ma'am also, because she has introduced her students to you all. Yes? A big clap to Anjana madam also.
And just academic mentor, that's it. I teach only academics to her.
And we hope that you have understood that what the chess is. Yes, children? So, take a motivation. This is one of a motivation class for you also. Take the inspiration from the Nikita. See how she is in 10th class and in 10th standard only. But even though she became a world recorder, now she is in a track not to record, receive the certificate. Yes? Means near to the success, whatever she want to achieve. Okay? Take an inspiration from her and give a big clap to her for her. Whatever the guidance she has given you, just follow that and listen to her carefully. And as madam said that she is a young student, young trainer to you all. Yes? And everyone you have to purchase. If you have an interest, if you want to be one of our Nikita, so purchase everything, okay? And ask your parent also, take a permission from your parent that this Chagovic student is, they came to our class and came to our school and they have given such type of advices to her. So we too want to learn all that. Just to give information to your parents also and be prepared with your material, whatever things you require for the test. Okay? And thank you so much, Nikita. Really. And best wishes for your future also, Beta. And a special thanks to the parent of Nikita. Sir, really a good motivation for the child. And you make mother also. She is a God gift to you, sir. So thank you, Nikita, for giving me the chance for our students to learn the chess.